Today we're going to show you how to change your door code on your 2011 and 2015 Ford Explorer. If you didn't get a card or don't have your card on your owner's manual, typically it comes with your door code, and this is the door code for our vehicle right here. If you don't have that, then down by the brake pedal here, you'll see a sticker on the left side, and we have a video on that where you can find the door code. So, but sometimes they don't work, or if you just want to change the door code and make it your own, here's how you do it. Go to settings, which is this button right here. Okay, now you're in settings, go up to vehicle, click on vehicle. Now go down to door keypad code and click that. We're going to type in our factory code, which is and hit enter. Now it'll say, how would you like to edit your code? Do you want to add a code, erase the code, or cancel? So if there's another code in there, you could hit erase, and that will erase the code, and it'll go back to the factory setting. If you want to add your own code, just hit add, and let's just try 24680, and then it'll go down to the next line and 24680, then hit enter, and then it'll say that that code has been added to your door as well. Let's try our new code. So do that, and that'll wake up your system. Do 2 4 6 8 10, and then unlock the doors. So that's how you can either change your code to your own personal code or erase any other codes that are in there on your 2011 and 2015 Ford Explorer. We're going to do our original code now. And that still works. If this video helped, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.